things. You are good in fitness, you are good in singing, you are good in speaking English. A lot more talent you do have, and I'm really happy to listen that. I'm totally flattered in the front of you.
And
Okay, so
hello, yes. Am I visible?
yeah, yeah, of course, I'm able to see you, and you're just crystal clear to me, and you're looking
Thank
so
you so
fine.
much. Thank you so much. And this is very first time we are talking with each other. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. But I have seen you many times on YouTube, of course, because you did a lot more, I think, sessions with another teachers, but
Yes,
with
yes.
me, this is the first
This
time.
is
So
this
I'm
is the
really
first
happy
time.
to see you. Yes.
Thank you. Thanks. Same here.
Thank you so much for joining me today.
Yeah, it's
So,
my
yes,
pleasure.
can I know something about yourself? So it will be better. So I would be really happy if you will tell me
Okay.
something about yourself.
Sure. Okay. My name is Abbas Haider Zaidi, and I live in Delhi. Basically, I belong from UP Amroha, and I have done my graduation from Delhi University, and I am BCom graduate, and I have been working in MNC for last 9 years, and my hobbies are I like to play badminton, I like to sing, I like to run, and apart from it, I have a YouTube channel also. I'm a fitness coach on my YouTube channel, not professionally. You can say me, I'm a friendly fitness trainer. That's it.
Oh, that's it. Okay, that's really great introduction. I mean to say that you do have a lot more things. You are good in fitness, you are good in singing, you are good in speaking English. A lot more talent you do have, and I'm really happy to listen that. I'm totally flattered in the front of you.
And
Okay, so if you want to
yes,
know about me as well, I
yes,
can tell
sure,
you something. It
sure,
will be
sure, sure. You should. Yeah.
so.
Carry.
Thank you so much for the opportunity first. And my name is Ashutosh Dwivedi actually, but I'm from your neighbor state, that is Uttar Pradesh. I'm living closer to a
Okay.
city that is Kanpur. And
Okay. Okay.
coincidentally, I'm also the student of BCom. I'm from the same background. You are from Delhi
Yes.
University. I'm from Banaras Hindu University.
Okay.
So
Good to hear.
this is the best thing about us. You're from Delhi, Delhi University. I'm from Banaras Hindu University. And even though I'm also interested in singing, and I do like very much singing a lot, except that I'm quite passionate about English. And I'm talking to the people a lot from the last, I think, last 1 month, 1 year. That's all about from my side. So thank you so much for keep listening me. So,
Thank you
and
so much.
tell me
Yeah.
something interesting. What about Sunday? This is the Sunday today. So, what is special, I think, at the day of Sunday? You would like to
Okay.
do something special, is
Yeah.
there?
Yeah. Sunday is very special for me, I think, and special for everyone because I my schedule is very tough because I do night shift, and that's why I get time only Saturday and Sunday. That's why Sunday is very special and very good for me. I can do everything with my family. Yeah. I can go anywhere in Sunday. Yeah. I
Yes. It
spend
means if
I
you
can
take
spend a quality time with my family members.
great job. Okay.
Yeah.
And the second thing, but you are taking sessions daily, I think, on English Yari, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Not daily because now these days I am very busy because 2 3 days ago my brother has operated. That's why I was very busy and I could not take session on daily.
Oh,
Yeah.
it means you're not able to take consistently due to some
Yeah.
problems, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Because
not a
I
problem,
have a
but
very
yeah,
tough
you can
schedule.
try your
Yeah.
level best.
Yes. Can you repeat the question again?
I'm saying that you can try your level best to make it consistent. If you're not getting a chance to take like session, try to talk to yourself. At that time, if you are free for the free minutes
Yes.
only, you can talk to yourself, which can also
Yes.
help you enhance your
Thanks.
communications.
Thanks for telling me. But I have been doing for a long to improve myself. Yeah, that's why I joined English Yaari. Because in my family, I don't have any person with whom I can talk in English. And I don't have any environment. That's why I joined English Yaari and I am trying a lot.
Yes, Abbas, I think, unfortunately, we have to just, we have to accept this reality because we are living in India and there is a no
Yes.
surrounding of English. We are surrounded by Hindi, Bengali,
Yeah.
Marathi, and lot more languages
Yes.
in our
Yes. Yes.
country. So, but it's really good because we can take a step out and we can learn the things. Nowadays, we do have a lot more platforms, right?
Yes. Yes.
So, That is a great thing. Okay. And so
We
I
have,
would like to know one thing. Like
yes.
you, I'm really curious to know if you're doing night shifts. So what about your sleeping time?
My sleeping times is very odd because I have to sleep in days hours, and you can understand in days hours you cannot sleep properly because there are lots of voice noise coming from outside, and like if you have a joint family, then it is also big problem for you. You cannot sleep in proper way in days
So
hours.
you are living with the joint family or you do have
Yeah,
your nuclear family?
yeah. I live with my joint family, and I'm married also, and
Hmm.
I do night shift, and I have to do lots of exercise. I have to take session. I have to do a lot of things.
I can
That's why
understand. Of course, I
I'm
think.
not able to take session on daily basis. But
And
but
so I
I
would
have
like
been
to
trying a
ask
lot. Yeah.
one thing when like that you would like to do night shift. So how you develop this habit to wake in the night? I think because maybe in the beginning it was really like a
Yeah,
trouble for you. So
but it was not very tough for me because I used to awake in nights since my childhood.
hmm,
Yeah, and as I told you, I have been doing night shift from last 9 years.
nine
I have
years. So
I
right
have
now
been
it
doing
is.
same I have been
Hmm.
doing same shift for last 9 years.
Great job. So it means you became a brilliant employee in the night shift. Of course, you don't have any problem. And I can say in English word, you are right now an like night owl.
And in spite of doing night shifts, I lost my 32 kg weights in within 6 months.
Yes, one day I was watching your video and I just listened. You were telling to another tutor like that you lost your 32 kgs. I mean to say, I was really shocked to hear that. How I'm not able to, even though, of course, if you want to gain and lose the weight, that is typical task and that is not an easy task. And you can gain your weight, but of course, in the losing manner, you have to do a lot more hard work. So it
You
means you
have
are really hard
Yeah,
work.
you have to do a lot of hard work, and you have to do strong desire to reduce weight to do
Burning
something.
desire.
Yeah,
Yes.
yes.
That matters a lot. So you did a
Yeah.
lot, and I am able to say about your English also. It is showing that you are doing hard work about English as well. You are able to give answers confidently. You're telling the things very
Because
clearly. I'm really
yeah,
happy to.
it's all about English Yaari tutors, and because of English Yaari tutors, I'm improving now these days, and you can see the improvement. And I'm trying hard to improve myself because I know
Of course.
without English, I can't grow. I think now these days everybody can't grow without English. English is mandatory for everyone now these days.
Yeah, nowadays it's quite compulsory. Man, you are in Delhi and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. I'm connecting to you only on the basis of English. Nobody want to talk in like Hindi and
Yes,
something
yes,
like
yes,
Marathi local languages. Because if you want to talk to the people from southern part without having the English, you can't interact with them.
yes, yes, sure, absolutely correct.
So, so have you ever been talked with the people from outside of our country,
No, I
like
haven't.
Americans, like
Yeah.
Australians, and
Not yet.
you don't have
Not,
any
not,
experience to talk with foreigners?
not yet. But I
Not
will
yet.
try.
Of course,
I will try to do.
I
I will
hope
try
so
to do.
that within few months you are going to get a lot more
Yes.
chances to connect with the people from all around the world. Because now you are able to, I think, express yourself in a very well manner.
Yes. Now these days I can. I can do it. Seems to me. Yeah.
So I need to say that, after connecting to English Yaari and now you are able to express yourself. So whenever how you are feeling from your inside, like that you can talk to foreigners even as well now.
Yeah. I'm feeling very good. I'm feeling very happy to see improvement in myself. And I have a YouTube channel, as I told you, Fitness Dost Haider. I want to motivate others. If I want, I am this time Hindi is our native language, and my channel is also in Hindi. But I want to explore myself in all over the world. Like I want everyone should learn something from me, from my tips, whatever I share in my YouTube channel. I share my journey. I share my thoughts. So how to I want to motivate others how to be fit, how to be healthy. That's why I want to learn English also. I want to become a motivational speaker as well.
Oh, just you wanna be like fitness icon like Ranveer Elavadiya.
I want to become, yes.
Yes, Ranveer is also, I think he started his YouTube channel. The firstly, he was telling about the fitness tips. After that, he started telling a lot more things about motivation and mental health and physical health
Yes,
and
yes.
spiritual health as well. So,
Because yes, because I know I have a capability. I can do these things in very well, in very appropriate way. That's why I'm learning English and doing lots of things now these days to improve myself.
and I'm really happy because you are speaking very nicely and fluently. I think there is no problem. Your words are coming in a really in a good flow, and I'm really happy to hear that. It means I think you are improving a lot, and that's very good.
It's
So,
all
and
about
what?
practice.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's all about practice, which I am doing.
Yeah. So before English Yari, also you were doing practice anyway.
Yeah, I did practice by myself before English Yaari. Like I like to read short stories, and after reading stories, I record my videos on my mobile. This is also my habit.
Nowadays, also you are recording videos.
Your voice is stuck sometimes, and your video is
Oh,
also stuck.
sometimes might be, of course, it is happening. So right now, it is okay or not?
Yeah, right now it's okay.
So I was asking to you nowadays also it is your habit to record the videos daily?
Yes, it's my habit now. These days, I have been doing this. Yeah.
Yes, that's great. So I would like to ask one thing, Abbas. Like you told me you are a YouTuber as well. So how
Yes, yes.
you are recording your videos? You do have the DSLR or you are using your smartphone?
Yeah, I use my smartphone,
And you are using the rear camera, I need to say that, or the front camera?
front camera.
So,
I
but
use from
I
front
think,
camera.
but I want to ask one thing. When you are using the front camera, there is a confusion always. You have to see yourself or just you have to see in the camera lens. So, how you are adjusting this kind of things?
I I don't think anything else while making videos. I just speak whatever I have to speak, and whatever I have a content, I just concentrate on that things.
That's a great thing. That's of course I think it is showing from your confidence. But I want to know one thing. For becoming familiar with the camera lens, that is quite
Yes,
obvious.
yes,
What is happening when you are going to record your video with a front camera? There are two things. First, the
yes, yes.
camera lens, and the second thing, your face. So what is happening if you are seeing your face, your eye level will be down, right? I'm asking that part.
Okay. I see myself. I don't look at the lens.
Okay,
I
but
I
after
see
that
myself.
also.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I felt like that if you are doing like this, the few people they are saying like that you will not be look so eye contact will not be there. Like I mean to say that if you will see in the camera lens at the time the eye connection will be really I
That's why
think fantabulous.
that's why I told you I don't think about it. But I have whatever content I have. I just speak that. I speak like that in lots of people in front of me, and I share my thoughts with them.
Oh, that's great. It means
Yes.
nowadays you're not caring about that. It is your opinion. After few days, literally, it's gonna be okay, right?
Yes, yes, sure.
Yes, even though I'm also working on YouTube, I think for 3 months. So that's why I'm asking you. Because in the back camera, that is quite good. Because if you are doing from the
Yes.
back camera, you will not be able to see yourself and only you will see the camera lens. That will be really appropriate. With the in the front camera, you will be able to see yourself as well and the camera will be there. So there is a confusion on.
Okay,
That's
but
why I'm
you,
asking you.
okay, you can watch my YouTube channel. You can see my videos. How am I speak on there, and how
Of course,
you can
I will
you can
visit
see all
that
these
and
things. Yeah.
yes, surely I will visit that, and after that, if I will meet
Yes.
you again, I surely I can do comment over there as well, not a problem, and I can
Thank you
tell you
so.
what is good is
Yeah.
about you.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah,
Because it
pleasure.
seems. Yeah, because it seems to me now these days I am proving, but in Hindi, because Hindi is our native language. That's why in Hindi I'm very good. I'm very good to represent myself in Hindi. So you can see my channel, and that's
Ah,
why
yes.
I am
Even though
learning
my native
English.
language is Hindi, I
Yeah,
can
that's why.
understand very well
Yeah,
Hindi.
that's why I am learning English now these days, so that I can explore myself in English also, to in front of others.
Yeah, exactly. If you want to like spread your ideology all around the world and to another country as well, it is pretty obvious to go forward with the English.